It's your girl Timmy J, and I'm back again for another video. Okay, I'm gonna prank my boyfriend. So he just got him a new car, and I'm ask him, can I go pick some food up in it? So I order food or whatever, and I'm gonna be like, can I go get some food or whatever? But sometimes, every time I go and get some food or something, it's always something. Or with him, it's always something. And we either tell each other we here, or the heat of the moment, we call. So I'm going to call and start talking about it. And then just boom. I'm just going to act like, hey, I don't know. But we'll see. So make sure you give this video a big thumbs up and comment down below. What else? Yeah, I don't know how this works. I got a whole nother idea too. I might just pull back up at the house and just be like, I need you to come outside. Yeah, we might do that. Let's see. But I need to close Tarian's door to his bedroom. So in case he get loud, it won't wake my son up. He's sleeping. So I'm gonna hit y'all back. And this boy always say I can't prank you. But I know how to prank you, boy. Don't ever play me, boy. And I know you watch my video, boy. Don't ever play me, son. Play with your dad. The scenes. He got headphones on. Take the freaking stickers off the bottle. Let me show y'all how easy it is for me. Yeah, what the fuck is that? Like, I know what it is, but no, why is you right here? Oh my god. Bro, it's so short, simple, and easy. Just, you gotta play it normal. Okay. Yeah, that freaking butterfly scene. Oh yeah, I like his car too though. But not that freaking butterfly though. Like, why you gotta land by my house? I don't like how he got the seat like back, like, you know, I know he a dude and all, but god damn. How y'all ride like this, boy? But I'm gonna catch y'all on the street though. Let me give y'all a prime example of what I be meaning when I say when I always go to places, it always be some shit. I just came to get a simple, quick little meal to eat on, right? If you grown, you know what's up. You know why. I got to get pulled down, right? Okay. I've been placed my order through the app. So I got to get pulled down. Because y'all ain't had my shit ready. Then, bring my food. Forget the drinks. Bro. No. I'm over it. There he go, y'all.
You want me to eat it?
Yeah, please. Thank you.
You have a good day.
You too. You thought I was finna get that damn straw? Fuck no. You picked that shit up. I'm not saying in no type of way, but you picked that shit up. Shit. Thanks you for the bigger drink though. But y'all, let's get into this prank though. That was enough of my little rant. You know, as a YouTuber, you know, I'm learning. You need some content, goddamn. let's get to the reason of why y'all clicked the video. Yeah. I had to literally lean away from the camera because I'm weak as fuck. I had to amp it up because I had to say something basic. I couldn't say I hit a whole person because he know if I was to hit a person, he know I wouldn't leave the site or whatever. So I just said I hit a pole. At first he's just thinking I'm playing. But no. Tell his ass.
Hey, get the fuck out of here.
What? Well, not what's up, TJ again, but welcome back. It's a whole nother day, and I'm finishing off the vlog that I started. Well, it was a prank on Jay, and I got his butt. But right now, y'all, I'm at McDonald's finna give me a Little Mac chicken because I gotta go to a wedding, and I had got my car serviced or whatever. So yeah, your girl got hungry sitting there for like a whole hour. So my car dirty as hell. I need to wash it. But yes, I'm going to a wedding. Mine's coming soon. And y'all, it's been a long time coming. But I haven't been to a wedding in so long. The last time I've been to a wedding was at least 3-4 years ago. It was my cousin's wedding. I think it was 3-4 years ago. Shit, I don't know. But anyways, I'm not gonna record at her wedding, so just let y'all know. But I will come back on here to tell you guys how it went, and yeah. Okay, gang, the wedding was very, very good, very cute, and yes, I'm driving right now, so that's why I ain't looking at the road for it. But I mean, at the camera, I'm looking at the road. I ain't looking at the camera for real, cause I'm looking at the road. Shh, gotta get it together. But it was so very cute, and big congratulations to I can say Reggie. To Reggie and to Ebony. They're having a boy. Ebony, welcome to the Boy Mom Club. And yeah, I've been saying they was having a boy. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed the prank / vlog, then keep watching my videos and subscribe. Go tell your friend, auntie, mama, cousin, uncle, granddaddy, grandma, all that good little stuff. Help your girl out to get out Birmingham. For real. With that non-supporting ass. Yes, I said it. Yes, yeah, non-supporting ass. Shit. Don't make me have to pull a Carly Russell. That ain't even funny, bro. Oh, and put y'all comments down about that too. Cause yeah, that girl tripping. But anyways, it's your girl Timmy J, and I'm out.